Mike Stinks videos. Today we're just kind of working on the sound when uploads to YouTube. It seems like the sound doesn't go through the same as when I try it here. So just trying a little test. This is going to be some Pink Floyd. It's not really in my wheelhouse of things that I play. I like it, but I will never be able to play the whole thing. But this is a little bit of it. But, so here we go. I'll probably screw it up. Just like that. So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, smile from a veil? Do you think you can tell? Just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. Well, have we found the same old fear? Wish you were here. Well, we'll see how it sounds.